Welcome to your private oasis in Spokane's prestigious Belle Terre neighborhood. With over 3,800 square feet, an attached 20 by 30 shop on a half-acre corner lot, this is a home you won't want to miss.
Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. One of my favorite parts about this house is the back setting here. You've got a multi-tiered deck that's super private to enjoy the inland northwest summer. It's, lots of trees, keeps things, again, private, quiet. You're gonna get lots of wildlife, deer running through the Belle Terre area, maybe an occasional moose. But again, with this half-acre lot, just so many nice little places to enjoy. Around the corner, you've got the basketball hoop. You've got a private covered hot tub area here. And then you've got easy access to the shops around the corner as well. So thanks again for sticking around to the end of the video. If you're looking to sell a house, please give us a call. We'd love to sit down and chat and make a plan to help to get to your goals and get top dollar for your house. So again, we hope to see you on the next one.